Dear entrepreneurs, we know that right now you are fueled by a dream. You are building websites for your clients, growing your online business, while constantly learning new things. At Keyword Cupid, we know that building a successful online business takes a lot more than designing a beautiful website. And especially when it comes to scaling. That's why we built Keyword Cupid, a fully managed solution that will help you plan your content strategy and organize the themes you need to write about. We started with simplicity. What if creating a full content silo strategy for a new website could be fun? Fun and fast, where you can upload data from your favorite tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush in just a few clicks. Not only would that mean being more productive, but it would also mean I can focus on growing my business. We also focused on all the time suckers, removing the duplicates from your keyword list, geo-targeting your results, scraping the content from your competitors' sites. And we said, if Keyword Cupid could create your page structure faster, think of all the amazing ideas that would be unlocked. And we know as you are watching this, you might wonder, is this really for me? Can I do this? Well, we are here to tell you the answer is yes. Keyword Cupid is the first on-demand machine learning platform that clusters your keywords into pages and silos, meaning you can just upload your data and it will unravel all the patterns on your behalf. It's also super affordable, starting from just below $10 a month and giving you the ability to buy additional credits on demand. Forget surprise bills and get comfortable with predictability. And sure, if things take off big time, we will be there and ready to cluster hundreds of thousands of keywords every day. Our mission is to support online businesses at every step of content strategy and growth. And that's why we are inviting you to join our Keyword Cupid family today.